My name is Chikamale Weza, and I'm here again bringing you videos on how to make money online. Please do not skip any part of this video, stick to the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon button so I can bring you more videos like this and you receive notifications when I bring up more videos like this. Now let's get right into the video. Guys, I want to tell you about this website where you can make your first $1 online if you have not made any money online. Today will be your first day to make $1 online just now. But on this website, I'm going to be making much more money online today. I'm going to take my time to make more money. Let me tell you that you can even surpass that amount that I'm telling you, which is $1. So this is the website. I'll start by clicking get started. Now that's what you need to do where you're on the website. But as you can see, I'm already logged in. I've already signed up on the website, but you can click on get started and sign up, put your email address on the website and all the other informations and just sign up. It's as easy as that. Now I'm going to find jobs that I will do. Look at this is where you can see jobs. Now look at this job. Comment on our video and you get $1.3. You can see I'm having $0 now and $0 is pending, so I don't have any money on the account yet. But you see what I'll do today to make money. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just to subscribe on the YouTube channel and you make $1. You can see. You can also see download free antivirus software and you make $0.25. You can see all the jobs here. So if you do these jobs, accumulate them and you see that you make much more money. On this side you can see this is $2. Just imagine doing a $2 job for five of them, five $2 jobs, then you will make much more money. Just complete an offer, then subscribe to a channel. You can see. Now let me click on one of them. Let me click on this one. You will see now this job excludes countries such as Bangladesh, so I think anyone else can do this job. This guy takes 1 day to rate your job. As you can see here, you can hold the job here if you want to do it. So you can just come back and do it, but you won't hold it for too long because it has a time duration you can hold it for. So now look at what is expected from this job. You can go to this link, then you watch video, then tap watch now. You see a video, then you tap watch now. Then complete human verification to unlock the video. You must complete human verification to open the video. Watch video for 5 seconds and comment on the video. If you actually complete human verification, you will be redirected on the video. Make sure to comment on correct video before submitting proof. Don't submit proof if you didn't get the correct video. You must complete human verification to unlock the video. Fake comments won't be paid. Do work without VPN, so you're not required to use a VPN to do this job. Maybe to feign that you're from a country that you're not from doing this job. So if you have a VPN, for those who have VPNs, you need to put off your VPN before you do this job. Now look at the required proof. Now when you finish this task, what you need to do is to write the video title that you saw, the video title that you commented on or that you watched for this amount of seconds, for 5 seconds. Now the second thing you need to do is to submit a screenshot that shows your comment on the video. The third thing you need to do is to submit your screenshots that showed human verification completed. So I think it's as simple as ABC. So this is where you submit all your proof. You upload the proof here. You write the comments. You comment on this. You upload what you uploaded. You upload the second proof. You comment on what you uploaded, and you submit your proof. So I'm going to pause this video for a while and maybe for some time before I come back and show you what I've done. Now as you can see, I've finished with some jobs and you can see how much I've made. Look at it, $12.045. And you can also do this. You can find the link to this website in the description below. Join and make some money for yourself, and you can see how much I've made. And you can withdraw this money through cryptocurrency or through PayPal. It's very easy to withdraw. This is all I have for the video. You can check out other videos where I show you how to make money online that are also rich, and will also show you how to make money online. And I think if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, like it, then subscribe, share it to people you think that would find this video beneficial, and also hit the bell notification icon button if you want more videos like this.